MoneyWise would like to thank the following: David Salon, Oakwood Premier Manila, iWhite Korea, AutoNation Group, distributor of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2015 World Car of the Year, Asia United Bank, Ribisco. Call us or send us a message for sponsorship opportunities on MoneyWise. Looking for the best wedding caterer? Visit Wedding Banquets Manila, the biggest food tasting festival on September 10 and 11 at SMX Convention Center. Join our wealth and life coach Chinky Tan as he talks about the blueprint for success on October 25, 2016 at the Victory Center, V Mall Green Hills, San Juan. Join the Big Mac Pre-Christmas Fair Bazaar for a Cause on November 18, 19, and 20 at the Metro 10 Convention Center in Pasig. Interested participants may call 0908-815-0198 or email us at moneywisetvph@gmail.com. Join our host Tintin Bersola Babao and learn life hacks and entrepreneurial tips at the Chic-driven Women Empowerment Expo on October 1 and 2 at the Alabang Town Center.
And you're still watching MoneyWise.
Tintin, it's all over social media.
Alin? Nag-trending na ba ako?
Oh, trending ka na that you are called Ninang Dab. Oo, kwento mo nga, paano ka naging Ninang Dab?
Kasi itong mga netizens, bininyagan ako with the hashtag Ninang Dab. Kasi yung tamang panahon, ito yung unang beses na nagkita nga si Alden at si Maine, di ba, doon sa Philippine Arena. Sabi ko, uy, bagay na bagay sila. Sana pag nagkatuluyan sila, okay na sila in the future, maging ninang ako. Ganun
wow,
lang,
talaga?
Lang na gusto kong maging ninang ng dalawa. Ayun, pinatulan hanggang ng netizens, hanggang sa hinashtag na nila, Ninang Dab. Hanggang ngayon. At nakakatuwa kasi silang dalawa, pag nagde-dedicate sila, tawag nila sa akin talaga, Ninang Dab. Even verbally when they see me, Ninang Dab.
We had the opportunity to even give more advice to Alden. No, in his recent book launch, no, para malaman pa natin to, let's watch this. Nabigyan kami ng pambihirang pagkakataon na maka-attend ng book launch ni Alden Richard, book entitled In My Own Words, and I had an opportunity to meet the Pambansang Bay personally.
Okay guys, we're going to have a autograph signing.
Yeah, and book opportunity with the Pambansang Bay. It's very money-wise nowadays.
Of course, hindi naman mawala ang aking MoneyWise co-host na si Christine Tintin Babao, also known as Ninang Dab. Tintin and I plus our MoneyWise team had our books autographed by the Pambansang Bay. But not only that, I got the chance to share my expertise in financial literacy to the Alden Richards, the businessman, the entrepreneur, aside of the Pambansang Bay that only a few of us has heard of.
Sir, how do I invest my money po?
Yeah, before you invest your money, if there's only 4 things that I can leave you, no, the first thing that I want to tell you, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you save.
Yes.
Kahit malaki ang kinikita mo, pero pag malakas din ang labas, di ba, ubos din siya. Kahit kumita ka ng, let's say, 500,000 naman, pero ang gastos mo, 700,000, may utang ka pa. Kahit kumita ka na maliit, di ba, pero kung marunong ka magtipid, may nasa save. No? Second thing that I would like to give you as a coach is, it's not how much money you make, it's not how much money you save, but it's how much money you grow. Ang goal mo dapat talaga is palaguin mo yung pera mo. Third tip that I want to give you is this, never put your eggs in one basket. Ano ibig sabihin no? Kasi pag nilagay mo lahat yung itlog mo sa isang basket, pag nabutas yung basket,
laglag lahat sir.
Oh, ubos, wala ka nang kakainin. Diba? Pero pag naka-diversify ka, diba? Hindi lang isang source in terms of not investment, but in terms of your cash flow. Right now, okay, you have a good career, great career, but you know for a fact, this is not for a lifetime. Tama?
Yes,
Kaya kailangan, ngayon, habang ikaw ay, let's say, ano pa, you have a good job, kailangan nagda-diversify ka na ng other sources of income. And last but not the least that I want to give you as a tip is what? Never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Of all the sources of income that you have, always remember, ano talaga nagbibigay sa akin ng cash flow? Yan ang aalagaan mo, yan ang babantayan mo. Sa dami ng opportunities that will come along your way, madidistract ka na eh. And not every opportunity is an opportunity. Some opportunities are distractions.
Yes.
For example, your main show in Bulaga, di ba? You cannot compromise that. Kahit na marami kang project, kailangan priority yun.
Yes,
Nagigets
sir.
mo?
Yes, sir.
Kasi pagka na-divide ka na, tapos bigla ka mawawala doon, yun, doon tayo magkakainapan. And last, yung sa investment naman, first, I would like to encourage you to invest on passive income. When you say passive income, even if you stop working, income will never stop. Kahit di ka na nagtatrabaho, di ba? Papasok pa rin yung income. Like you set up a business, you set up franchises, di ba? Endorsement, that's also one also. Ano man may papayo mo naman sa mga young people,
Yes.
just like you, the millennials.
Yes. So like you said, to be money wise at a young age, talagang you really have to invest on what you think has a long-term effect. Kumbaga, a good long-term effect on yourself, on your family, and your security of the future. So like yun, sir, diversify is the key. Kumbaga, let's say you're earning much, you're earning more than what you think you can handle. To diversify your investments. Make investments doon sa mga bagay na what interests you. Minsan, if you have enough money, you can invest on car parts or
Yes.
restaurants or
Yes.
whatever you like. So like me po, I invested my money on a restaurant. And so far, it's doing good.
That's your passion, yung cooking, restaurant.
Yes, kasi even kahit naman po wala akong time, yung may time po ako before, I really love to cook. And parang in a way kasi, always look at your business on what the demand is looking for.
Tama.
Demand ng tao. Let's say food. People are always hungry. Or gas. People always need fuel, etc. On what the demand requires of the area. So that's how I do it, sir. If you want to start, you want to invest right in a young age, ask someone, ask a financial advisor.
Pwede ka na maging wealth coach.
Pwede na
Thank
rin,
you.
sir.
Thank you very much, Alden. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ayan, Money Wiser, sana nagustuhan nyo ang episode namin para sa inyo sa araw na ito. Marami tayong tinuro sa kanila, Chinky, no? Kung anong business na pwedeng pasukin. At sinabi mo sa kanila, in-explain mo sa kanila yung difference ng mutual funds, kung ano yung forex trading, kung ano yung stocks, kung paano mag-invest. At kung nalugi man kayo sa business, tulad ng ni Ma'am Ofelia, tinuruan mo naman sila kung anong businesses na pwede pang pasukin at kung paano makakabawi sa pagkalugi.
Hindi lang, pati yung sa estudyante, di ba?
Oo.
Nagbigay din tayo ng magandang advice on what they can really start with.
At alam mo, partner Chinky, ang isa sa nagustuhan ko talaga sa episode na ito ay yung rare experience na one-on-one coaching mo with our pambansang Bay, Alden Richards. Kasi alam mo naman
Exactly.
kung gaano siya kabising tao.
Yeah.
Pero nakinig talaga siya sa'yo, no? Dun
Yeah.
sa one-on-one
At
coaching.
saka aside
Yeah.
from him, listening intently, napansin ko talagang tumitingin ako para kaming magkamukha. Yun talaga, yun ang napansin ko talaga.
Yun na talaga.
Oo.
Wala na ako nasabi.
But-
Pero ang galing kasi, di ba, you're a financial expert, di ba? So, siya, ang dami niya yung kinikita. So, nakikinig siya sa'yo. So, I'm sure, iniisip niya, ito talaga yung mga dapat kong gawin. And Alden Richards represents the millennials.
Exactly.
Marami ang kaedad niya na kumikita na rin ng pera. Hindi man ganun kalaki katulad ng kay Alden, no? Pero at least alam na nila yung gagawin nila because of the expertise mo.
That's the reason why I just want to encourage you to keep on watching MoneyWise because our goal here is to educate every Filipino, one Filipino at a time, especially with regards to their finances.
Lalo na kung kamukha nyo si Alden at kamukha nyo si Chinkitan. Nakatwin ni Alden. Ganun eh.
Well, anyway, thank you for watching. This has been your Wealth and Life Coach, Chinkitan.
And this has been your mompreneur, Christine Bersola Babao.
Always remember, never get into something that you do not understand, no matter how profitable it may be.
Tama yon, because it's never enough to be just street smart. It
But
pays to be money
money-wise.
wise.